Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and I am like 100% sure that you will be agreeing on this, that we all have at least one Gmail account and we use Google Drive a lot, right? Now, the interface of Google Drive is not quite good. You can probably understood what I am saying, because uh, interface of Google Drive is quite clunky, and it's not like our Windows file explorer. But we would like it would be great if we have something like that, right? Like if we have something like Windows Explorer, like Windows file explorer, or it would be great if we have the interface like Google Drive interface as Notion interface, right? It would be great, like where you can manage those subfolders, create new files, and really edit all of those files in one place. It would be great, I think, right? So here is a website that is doing the same, like that is literally doing magic for Google Drive, and it's free. So let me show you how. So here is our today's app or web app or a website, that is Sidedrive.app. Now what Sidedrive does is, as you can see, Sidedrive is basically giving you a sidebar for your Google Drive. That's it. Like as you can see here, they have demonstrated it perfectly in this little video what it does actually. Like you can see all of those folders, okay, and what documents are in that folder. Like if there is a Word file, like not Word file, docs file, sheets file, or slides file, as yeah, you can go through all of them here, and you can directly open that in this panel. Like you don't have to go to docs, then open it, then edit it, then again come back to your drive, then again do all of those stuff. You don't have to do all of this at all. So that's what I like about this side drive app a lot. And there is another thing that you would be like you love, that is they are concerned about your privacy a lot. In this section, when you're gonna sign in, they will give you two features. One is light features, one is all features. In light feature, you can only view the folder structure. In all feature, you can view folder structure, you can edit file distribution, move, drag and drop, create anything. So in the all feature, this side drive app will need a lot more permission from your side than simple light feature login. And so that they are obviously informing you that all of those here, like all those side drives run only on your browser, we do respect any remaining concern about your privacy. That's why we let you decide which permission scope you want to grant. Like how beautiful is that? Like in this era where everything is like everyone is leaking data, doesn't like care about privacy at all. They are doing such things, like they will let you know that we are using this permission. If you want to grant, you can. If you don't wanna, you can't also. Like they are doing great thing in this section, I would say. So obviously I gonna use it, because seriously I don't CS 101 curriculum. I know what CS 101 because I am a CS student. So here are CS 101 curriculum as you can see it here. Whatever, it looks too much familiar. So whatever, so you will obviously get a Notion like experience in your Google Drive. Now I'm gonna use it for sure, because I loved this concept. And I don't really like to use Drive because it's kind of a glunky and it doesn't work. And it have lots of issue, lots of, because whenever you want to copy or copy paste or move around things, it I really get frustrated. That's why I gonna start using it for sure. So that's it for this video. Visit this app, and if you know about some of the great apps like this, please do let me know in the comment section so I can feature them in my future videos. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you like even like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I think this is gonna help a lot of people. So that's it. Bye for now.